students. In this regard, 2 sessions on suicide prevention are scheduled for teachers for primary schools on Wednesday and Thursday the 19th and the 20th January at 5 p.m. via the Zoom platform. Clinical Counseling Supervisor in the Ministry of Education, Robert Phillip, explains.
The purpose of this program is to come up with some preventive strategies. You know, you want to mitigate. You don't want to have to. I mean, after the fact, you would want to prevent suicides, and that's the major focus of the program: prevention. This program will be used to mitigate, you know, and to sensitize persons as to what to look for, you know. So the general public, you know, can be active in trying to prevent suicides, you know, because suicides are highly preventable.
Phillips says the effects of the pandemic place a high stress level on many Grenadians, which can lead to depression and other psychosocial conditions.
Whenever you have a crisis like we have now, because it's still a crisis, it's a pandemic, so it's a crisis. The stressors are multiplied and people have more to deal with. People are dealing with more stressors now than in normal times. Once you pick up in any way that somebody is suicidal, you have to speak with other persons, you know. It has to be on a 24-hour watch. The fact is that one has to be aware. You know, once you are aware of what's happening, then you can mitigate.
He said he is happy that the session will be open to the public as it will be beneficial to them also.
I think more sessions like these should be done. I think we had a suicide just recently with a young person. So, you know, suicide was not something we heard about a lot in the Caribbean or even Grenada, but it's a reality now, you know, and we have to face up to it and, you know, try to prevent it as much as we can. So more programs need to be done. But this is a start.
The ministry pledged their continued support to teachers and students to ensure that mental health is given priority in this ever-changing and challenging environment as it aims to enable all students to succeed. For GBN News, I am Rena Per Thomas reporting.